Welcome to our review of the top vacuum sealers of the year. Check the video description for purchase links to all featured products. First up is the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro, a top-tier choice for serious home chefs. Designed with both convenience and performance in mind, it features a built-in bag cutter and roll storage, making meal prep effortless. The double seal technology ensures an airtight lock. Whether you're sealing meat, vegetables, or leftovers, the wet and dry modes adjust perfectly for any type of food. For those who love sous vide cooking, this vacuum sealer offers precision and reliability, ensuring that your food maintains its natural flavors and juices. Next, the Nesco Deluxe Food VS12 is a fantastic option if you need a powerful and versatile vacuum sealer. With its double heat sealing, it provides extra security against air leaks, keeping your food fresher for longer. With an easy-to-use digital control panel, built-in storage, and a cutter for customizing bag sizes, this vacuum sealer is designed for convenience. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a professional-grade seal at home. Next, the FoodSaver PowerVac Compact Vacuum Sealing Machine is great for those who want a compact but high-performance vacuum sealer. Designed with a vertical storage feature, it takes up 50% less counter space than traditional models. The automatic moisture detection feature adjusts settings to ensure the best seal for wet or dry foods. With a simple one-touch operation, it's incredibly user-friendly and fast, making it a great choice for busy households. Whether you're freezing meats, sealing snacks, or keeping leftovers fresh, this sealer delivers powerful performance without taking up much space. Next, let's talk about the Inkbird Vacuum Sealer Machine, a fantastic choice for beginners. With one-touch operation, it makes vacuum sealing effortless and efficient. It delivers a strong seal in seconds, ensuring that food stays fresh for extended periods. This model is great for sealing both wet and dry foods, making it versatile for any kitchen. If you're new to vacuum sealing and want a machine that's simple, effective, and easy to store, this is an excellent choice. Next, the Mueller Compact Vacuum Sealer is for those looking for an affordable and space-saving solution. Despite its small size, it offers both automatic and manual sealing modes, giving you full control over suction strength. Its quick sealing function makes meal prep a breeze, helping you save time and reduce food waste. This vacuum sealer is perfect for those who want something budget-friendly but still powerful. Next, the Geryon Food Vacuum Sealer is an excellent choice if you're looking for a lightweight and easy-to-use vacuum sealer. Designed with simplicity in mind, this machine provides multi-mode sealing for both wet and dry foods. Its detachable lid makes cleaning effortless, ensuring that you get long-lasting performance. If you want a user-friendly vacuum sealer that delivers great results at a low price, this is a great option to consider. Finally, for those who love using mason jars for food storage, the vide Moment Electric Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer Kit is a must-have. Designed specifically for mason jars, this vacuum sealer works with both wide mouth and regular mouth lids, creating a perfect airtight seal in seconds. The electric pump is powerful yet portable, making it a great option for canning, storing dry goods, or preserving homemade sauces. If you prefer vacuum sealing your food in jars rather than plastic bags, this is the perfect tool for you. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.